So hey guys, welcome back to the channel of Be10x and I hope you all are doing really well. Today we are going to talk about 3 AI tools that can literally help you increase your productivity and also enhance your career and also make you more knowledgeable and solve your problems. In this video, I'll be just talking about 3 different tools in this video, but we have a workshop that is available for 9 rupees where we talk about AI tools that are more than 1000 in a number. So if 3 tools can help you this much, just imagine how much that workshop would help you. To join the workshop, the link is in the description. You can click on that and visit our website and join the workshop and learn more about how to increase your productivity and also how you can use AI to enhance your career.
This Diwali, skyrocket your career by learning AI tools and ChatGPT. I'm going to teach you that. Click on the link below and sign up for the workshop.
Let's continue the video ahead. And the number 1 tool what we have is YouTube and article summary powered by ChatGPT, which is an extension available in Google Chrome. And believe me, the name is very long and it might suggest that it doesn't do a lot of things, but it can save you a lot of, a tremendous amount of time if you are using this extension. And let me tell you how. So imagine that if you want to watch a video on YouTube and you don't want to watch the whole video and you just want a summary of it, well, this is what this extension can do for you. And let's take an example. Let's take a TED talk of Dolly Chugg and we'll write on Google Dolly Chugg YouTube, and there is this video of her how to let go of being a good person on YouTube. So we'll click on that and you see on YouTube we have come and it's on the channel of TEDx, and on the channel if you see there is this option of transcript and summary, and this is where the real thing happens. And if you can see above, there's also the extension added and it's powered by of course ChatGPT only. So after once the video has started, just click on the ChatGPT icon, and the moment you do that, it will summarize the whole thing in just 5 or 7 different points by transcripting the whole video for you. And you will save your tons and tons of work hours. So it has given you 5 bullet points about what is the video about and what you should do and what does the video says. So you can ask ChatGPT additionally also, can you expand on each of these points with an additional 3 sentences? And of course, ChatGPT being this great AI tool, it will start doing that for you. So now if you see, it has made this extensions for you, what is the answer and the attachment, and every point is explained to you in a really deep manner. So you can have a lot of questions about this with ChatGPT about the video or what you are supposed to ask. So you can ask what kind of advice would Dolly give to us. So based on the provided script, you can say it will give you the following advices. Be open to, and these are this is how you can use it for any tool. And you can even confirm if a teacher gives you an assignment, that was that thing mentioned in the assignment. So we will write did Dolly give any examples, so we can learn about this. So the number 2 tool that we are going to use is ChatPDF, and ChatPDF is really a great tool. So in the first extension, what we were doing was we were getting a transcription and a summary from YouTube videos. But if we want that from PDF, we can use ChatPDF. Of course, it's also internally powered by ChatGPT only, but it's very simple. You just need to upload your PDF article, be it a research paper of 40 pages or just a PDF of 2 pages for your homework. You just need to write the question what you want. I have written, can you summarize this PDF? So it will start giving you a summary of this PDF is an article journal of and everything. And we can write what are the domains, any question you ask, just I am giving you examples. Any questions now you ask about that PDF, the AI would already know for you, and you don't need to read those pages or waste time while doing a lot of research in that. And you can ask what's the use or why this is important in coaching, or what are the disadvantages of doing this or doing that from the research paper on the based model. In I have used this scarf model that was used in a study, or that you can use it for various different tools. And this is the second tool that you can use. And now let's move on to the third tool, and the third tool is Bing. So on Bing you can ask questions you ask questions to a human. So you can say I am on my MacBook and trying to use MS Teams, but I am not able to share my screen, help. So it will not give you a monotonous answer. It will take you with all the instructions, like searching for MS Teams, MacBook, and it will give you all the instructions. And if you like talk to the Bing and you write as a continuous conversation that I didn't understand this, just like you would talk to a human, like I didn't understand this, I didn't see this open system things, how do I do that? Very random example, like my daughter got red hair dye on the white walls of bathroom, and any chance I can get that out or nah? So it's a very common thing. You would not expect an AI to answer, but Bing has an answer for you. So like it has this human touch to it. So it will like even give a reaction to you. Oh, that's a messy situation, like that. And if you see, it's giving you actual solutions that can really help you to like clean that stain or whatever it was. And like that, you can use AI tools to increase your productivity. And that is it for this video, and these were the 3 different AI tools that can help you increase your productivity. But if you want to learn more about these AI tools, just you can attend our workshop that is available for 9 rupees, and I believe that would really help you to increase your productivity. And until then, if you like the information, don't forget to leave a like, drop a comment, and also don't forget to subscribe Be10x. And see you in the next video about talking some more crazy AIs. Till then, bye bye.